Are you ready to discover the best books ever that can help you master your money and investing? So, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. But I'll tell you this, okay? Managing money and making smart investments can feel confusing, but the right books can make all the difference. If you've ever wondered how to grow your money, this video is for you, okay? Step one, you're going to start with books that teach you the basics of money, okay? Look for the books that explain how to budget, how to save, and set financial goals. These books are going to give you a strong foundation and help you to understand the importance of managing your money well, all right? So step two, you're going to read books about investing. So once you have the basics down, it's time to learn how to grow your money. So books that talk about stocks, bonds, real estate can really show you how to make your money work for you, okay? You don't need to be an expert to start investing. Just take it step by step. Read Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. That should be your first step. I did it when I was a kid. It really blew my mind, okay? Now, step three, you're going to choose books by experts who have been successful with money. These books can inspire you and show you, the strategies that they use to get ahead. Their stories can motivate you to take action and start building wealth. All right? So if you're feeling ready to learn, dive into, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Take charge of your future. Start there, then start investing in stocks. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for great tips. I love you.